Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please watch and subscribe our channel and comment about it. Today we are learning about the standalone. Standalone is something used in a factory or any place like kitchen, your house. Standalone can use in any place you want. First thing, standalone detect the fire by sensing the smoke. When it sends the smoke, they will detect that smoke and started to make the alarm. First thing you have to know about standalone. Standalone is something like this. Standalone use only battery. How you use a standalone? Standalone use a normal battery like this one. You place here the battery. After you place the battery inside here, it's ready to work. And then you close it clockwise. This is called standalone. It's nice in your place, your house. It can detect any form of smoke. Even when you are asleep, it can detect it by itself when there is any smoke. The way you can operate is it operates itself by sensing. You can see something here, click. How it can operate is make a lot of sound like this one. How you can make a sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and watch it. Thank you.